Good day, everyone. I'm Jeremy Paul Edelizo from 12 STEM Wisdom. Today, I assigned to report the number 6. At first, we need to identify the given function. T of x equals e to the power of x times secant x. And then, since this function is a product of two terms, we use the product rule. The product rule states that the derivative of u times b is u prime b plus u b prime. And then we need to differentiate each part separately. U equals to e to the power of x. And so u prime is equals to e to the power of x. Then the second one is b equal secant x. So the prime of b equals to secant x tangent. After that, we need to apply the product rule. So the derivative of t of x is e to the x times secant x plus e to the x times secant x times tangent x. And after that, factor out common terms. Since both terms have e to the x secant x, we factor that out. This simplifies to e to the x secant x times the quantity 1 plus tangent x. Therefore, the derivative of t of x is e to the x secant x times the quantity 1 plus tangent x. That's all. Thank you.